Are these ready for sorting?
Yes, the color saturation is excellent on this shipment. We need to secure the next section first. Check the schematic for the precise angle.
All right, I see it. Moving the roses into position now.
The welding on segment gamma needs final inspection before we attach the flowers.
Confirmed. Ensure the automated belts maintain speed.
Engineering to Platform 3. Confirm structural integrity on the main section.
Platform 3 confirms. Ready for floral application.
Check the alignment on the left flank, it's slightly off.
Rerouting the next batch of roses to level 3.
The left side. Bring it up just a few inches. Make sure the petals are secure.
We need to adjust the main section on the left.
Platform 3, move closer to the head.
Roger that. Adjusting the symmetry now.
Make sure the gradient is smooth on this side.
The robot arm can handle the next row.
A little higher on the left, next to the white ones.
Like this? Yeah.
Yes, the robot can secure that now.
Rerunning the optical scan on the main now. The structural integrity looks stable.
Confirmed. Symmetry aligns with the blueprint.
Chamber pressure is fluctuating by 2%.
Noted. Rerouting stabilization sequence now.
The humidity levels in chamber 3 are stabilizing.
Good, the petal matrix looks fully hydrated now.